In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new general ledger account in Xero accounting software in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a small business owner managing your books, adding new accounts in your chart of accounts is an essential skill that helps keep your financial records organized and accurate. First, head over to the Xero accounting login page. If you're not already logged in, now is the time to do so. Click on the login button and enter your email address and password. This will navigate you to your Xero dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your financial data. Once you're on your dashboard, look towards the top menu bar and find the option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on it. You will then see a drop-down menu. From here, select Chart of Accounts. This section is like the backbone of your accounting system, where you can manage the structure of your financial data. Now direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the button labeled Add Account. This is where you'll start setting up your new ledger account. The first thing you'll need to do is select the account type. This could be anything from an asset, liability, equity, revenue, or expense, depending on what fits your business needs. After selecting your account type, the next step is to assign a code to your account. This code helps with identifying and tracking the account easily within your system. Make sure the code is unique and follows any sequence or numbering system you're currently using. Next, it's time to give your account a name. This should be descriptive enough to remind you and others of the account's purpose. A clear, concise name will prevent any confusion as your business grows and your financial data becomes more complex. Additionally, you have the option to add a description to the account. While not required, a description can provide further clarity about the account's use, which is especially useful if multiple people are accessing or managing the accounts. Moving on, you'll need to select the appropriate tax rate for this new account. This ensures all your transactions using this account record the correct tax information and it stays consistent with your overall tax obligations. Now that you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review your entries and make sure everything looks accurate, then go ahead and click on the Save button. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new general ledger account in Xero. This process is a fantastic way to keep your financial records up to date and tailored to your specific business needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made your accounting tasks a little bit easier.